Sir, kayo ba tingin nyo naging maingat kayo na hindi makapagsalita about the merits of the case?
I'm very conscious doon sa Rule 18. Very conscious rin ako sa limitations namin. At in fairness sa inyo, kayo rin very conscious. No? Hindi nyo rin kami tinatanong on the merits, just on the schedule or on the admin matters. So it goes both ways. Mga members of the media should also be conscious na hindi pwedeng tanungin yung merits, hindi pwedeng tanungin yung mga detalye tungkol sa kaso.
Speaking of respondents, sir, what do you hope from VP? Kasi kahapon nag-issue rin siya ng statement regarding sa trial.
Yung resolution ng court adopted by the court, kasama dito yung respondent, meaning the Vice President. At dapat maging conscious rin siya moving forward doon sa mga statements niya, especially on the merits. So it covers everyone. Kasama kami doon, mga senator judges.
How did the other senators take the ruling nung kayo-kayo na rin
Supportive,
magkakausap?
very supportive. In fact, after the ruling, nung usap-usap kami, very supportive kami. And very comprehensive and well-researched. Yung linabas ng presiding officer. Kaya walang tumutol eh. In fact, kung may tututol, pwedeng tumayo. Or even inside, wala rin tumutol.
Sir, kayo personally, how do you make sure hindi kayo naapektuhan kapag yung PROSEC, for example, tinatapos yung direct ng with the word scam, modus operandi, these things?
Ako, ako personally, feel ko na inappropriate yun at hindi tama. Dahil kahit na strike off the record, wala nang bisa yun eh. Mayroon na tayong YouTube na pwede mong i-replay. Ang taong bayan naman, di naman nila na-appreciate in strike off the records. No? Kahit na naka-strike off the records, but when you rewind it in YouTube, makikita mo rin. No? And